Hello everyone, this is our client Mr. Bharat and Mrs. Shama. We did renovation for their house. We would like to know your experience with us, sir.
Hi, so we were looking for our house renovation so last year, and we were searching for someone who has experience in renovating houses, and we saw Inkstone Infra in YouTube, and then I saw videos from these guys, and I was pretty impressed by the output of the projects they have done. So I thought I'll talk to Siddharth, and I called him. Then they gave us the designs. First they gave the 2D design and then the 3D designs, which were very impressive. I was having doubts if the output comes exactly as the designs, but if you see the output now, really it's very nice. We are very happy with the output. So the output has come exactly like the design that was given actually. So yeah, very satisfied and happy with the work you have done.
In my opinion, best part of this renovation is this balcony. It's very beautiful, amazing, and very spacious. And my daughter also liked it so much. She is happy with this balcony actually. Thank you for this amazing idea.
So if you are looking for any house renovation solutions, I would recommend to contact Inkstone Infra. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for the opportunity.